Give to Mostert, runs it through the right side, and he's chopped down by Christian Barmore.
All the downhill plays are downhill, so you can work to the inside shoulder of that and just take it on.
One left for Tagovailoa, drops back, fires down, little pass intercepted by Duggar. He makes the play from the ground, rises to his feet, runs past the 35 before he's shoved to the near side by Hill. Play clock under 5. Mack takes it on 3rd and 4. Stands in, throws across middle court, catches 10, runs left 5, into the end zone. Touchdown off the takeaway for the Patriots. Right, 2 left. Jones takes the snap waist high. 4-man rush, throw down the middle, caught by Douglas, who slides down and then takes a hit at midfield. Douglas motions in from the left. Jones takes it to him, throws it to the far sideline, picked off.
Are you kidding?
And pass down the right side by Jalen Ramsey, 30, 35, 40. Stepped out of bounds on the 40. Jason Sanders is out for a 30-yard field goal attempt from the right hash marks. This kick airborne to the uprights is good. Rager to the left, Douglas in motion left, play fake by Jones, dropping back, throws it over the middle, it's caught by Henry, turns across the 45, upended. A 4th and goal to go, the play clock is down to 2, it's down to 1. The snap, Jones throws it right, wide open, Smith-Schuster! Snap, Tagovailoa, play fake, throw down the middle, wide open, 15-yard line. Nobody near him, into the end zone. He's going to celebrate with his teammates. En masse, doing the Penguin walk.